Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and loading the web page you want to save. This ensures the bookmark captures the correct title and URL. Once the page loads, make a quick decision about where it belongs: favorites for frequent use, bookmarks bar for quick access, or a custom folder for organization. On iPhone, tap the share icon. On iPad or Mac, use the share or bookmark menu. These first steps set the path so the bookmark appears exactly where you expect it. Now create the bookmark and choose its home. When you tap Add Bookmark or press Command+D, edit the title so it's meaningful, short, and recognizable, and confirm the URL if you copied a deep link. Next, tap Location or choose Change on Mac to place it in Favorites, Bookmarks bar, or a named folder. You can create a new folder right here if nothing fits. Doing this keeps similar links grouped, which makes retrieval faster later. Finish by verifying the bookmark appears where you wanted it and organizing it for future use. Open Bookmarks, use Edit to drag the item into a different folder or up to the Bookmarks bar, and delete duplicates to reduce clutter. If you don't see the saved bookmark, make sure iCloud Safari Sync is enabled and give it a moment to sync across devices. If that fails, restart Safari or your device to refresh local state. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.